In today's video, we're reviewing Carla's free Instagram masterclass, what it is, what you'll actually learn inside, and whether it's actually worth your time if you're trying to grow on Instagram. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been stuck trying to turn your content into followers, engagement, or even income, this free training might give you the clarity you've been missing. Instagram's algorithm and creator tools change constantly, and what worked a year ago doesn't always work now. And that's why so many creators are looking for updated strategies, not just growth hacks, but sustainable ways to build a real brand online. The free Instagram masterclass promises to teach exactly that. So, what the free masterclass is. This free masterclass is a training hosted by content and business creator Carla. It's designed to help entrepreneurs, coaches, and digital creators grow their Instagram presence strategically, not just for vanity metrics, but to attract ideal clients and turn followers into paying customers. Unlike typical webinars that's mostly fluffy, this one dives into actual methods she's used to grow multiple 6- and 7-figure brands using organic content. The training focuses on helping you understand Instagram's algorithm and visibility tools, clarifying your niche and messaging, creating content that converts, not just entertains, build an audience that buys from you, and turn your Instagram page into a lead generation funnel. And the best part, it's completely free to join. You don't need a big audience, expensive tools, or advanced editing skills, just a clear willingness to actually implement. Now, what makes this masterclass different? There are thousands of free trainings out there, but this one stands out for a few reasons. First, it's taught by creators who actually practice what they teach. Carla has built profitable personal brands online, and she openly shares real data, examples, and results throughout the training. You're not getting vague advice. You're seeing strategies that actually work. Second, the masterclass focuses on monetization alongside growth. Many Instagram trainings only cover content ideas or trends, and this one helps you think like a business owner. You'll learn how to attract your ideal audience, build trust, and create offers or services that convert followers into clients. It's essentially a roadmap to making Instagram your personal sales engine, even if you're starting small. Now let's talk about what's inside. So first off is the step-by-step Instagram framework. So inside you'll learn the exact framework used by top creators to grow and monetize their accounts. It breaks down how to structure your profile, plan your content, and create reels that boost visibility. She walks through how to optimize your bio, design your content pillars, and align your messaging so that people immediately understand what you do and who you help. Next is content and engagement strategy. A major part of the training focuses on how to create content that not only gets attention, but also drives conversions. You'll learn what types of posts perform best right now, from reels and carousels to stories and captions, and how to build relationships through comments, DMs, and story engagement. She also explains how to use analytics to track what's actually working so you can double down on the content that brings the best results instead of guessing. Algorithm updates and insider tips. Carla breaks down how the algorithm currently prioritizes content, explaining why some posts go viral and why others don't. She discusses things like how to boost retention in reels, what kind of content Instagram pushes to new audiences, and the mistakes most creators make that keep their content from performing well. Monetization mindset. So this free masterclass isn't just about getting likes. It's about using Instagram as a tool for income. You'll learn how to build your value ladder, meaning how to turn your followers into leads and leads into clients. They walk through examples of creators who've done this successfully and explain how to set up simple systems like lead magnets or link in bio offers that guide followers towards buying from you. If you're a coach, service provider, or online business owner, this section will give you a clear roadmap to using Instagram as a sales tool, not just a content platform. And then they've got Q&A and free resources. So the masterclass ends with Q&A where she'll answer real questions about growth, challenges, and strategies. You'll also get access to some free resources like content planning tools and templates to help you start implementing right away. Now let's talk about some bonus tips on how to get the most out of the masterclass. Watching a free training is one thing, but getting results from it is another. The free masterclass is packed with valuable information, but the real transformation happens when you approach it with focus and intention. Here's how to get the most out of it. Number 1, set aside focus time, no distractions. Even though it's a free class, treat it like you paid hundreds for it. Block off an hour in your calendar, grab a notebook, and silence your notifications. You'll process and retain far more when you give your full attention. The strategies inside can completely shift how you approach your content, but only if you actually absorb it. Number 2 is to take detailed notes and summarize in your own words. As you watch, jot down the main ideas and rewrite them in your own language. This helps your brain internalize the strategies instead of just memorizing them. Create a quick reference page, one column for what they they said, one for how I'll apply it. You'll end up with a mini playbook you can revisit before filming or posting. Number 3 is to pause and implement as you go. Don't binge the entire thing and move on. When a concept clicks, like optimizing your bio, choosing your niche, or planning your content pillars, hit pause, open Instagram, and make the change immediately. Number 4 is to rewatch it a week later with fresh eyes. The first time you watch, you're taking everything in. The second time, you'll notice details you missed, especially when it comes to messaging and engagement strategy. Rewatching after implementing your first few takeaways helps you connect the dots between what you learned and what's actually working on your account. Number 5 is to take advantage of the free resources. Don't just watch and leave. Download every template, checklist, or work she includes. They're designed to help take the ideas from the video and structure them inside your own content system. And lastly, create a mini 30-day action plan. After finishing the masterclass, write down 3 priorities for the next month. For example, post 3 reels per week, redesign my bio, start sharing more educational posts. Keep it simple but measurable. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons so you can decide if this is worth investing your time. The biggest advantage of the free masterclass is that it's genuinely valuable, even though it's free. Carla doesn't just tease paid content, she gives you actionable modern strategies that you can implement right away. It's beginner friendly, but still useful for more experienced creators who want to refine their message or improve conversions. Another pro is that it's short and digestible. You don't need to block off your entire day. You can watch it in an hour and start applying lessons immediately. The only downside is that it's an intro training. So if you're already advanced in Instagram strategy or running paid ads, you might find some of the lessons more of a refresher, but for anyone building a personal brand or a small business, it's definitely packed with value. So in terms of the pricing, like I said, it is completely free to join. All you have to do is go ahead and use our exclusive link down in the description below. And then once you click that link, you'll go ahead and just click sign me up, or you can look at other details. You can select an event date and then go ahead and add your name, email, and then Instagram, which is completely optional. And then you can save your seat. And as you can see right here, over the past few years, she's helped over 10,000 clients grow their Instagram accounts and bank balances, grown her own audience to 100,000 followers, generated over $4 million in revenue, and has been named one of the top 10 social media experts to look out for in the NYC Journal. So if you've been stuck trying to grow on Instagram, this free masterclass is such an easy yes. It's practical, updated, and taught by Carla, who actually does what they teach. And since it's free, there's literally no downside to checking it out. Even one strategy you apply from the training can make a big difference in your content performance. On a personal note, I know how frustrating it can be to post consistently and still feel invisible on social media. You pour your effort into your content and wonder why it's not translating into growth or sales. The truth is, there's a method to building an audience that converts, and that's exactly what this masterclass is going to help you understand. If you're ready to finally get clarity on what works, use the link down in the description to go ahead and join the free masterclass today. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping creators and entrepreneurs find the best courses to help you grow online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.